BNB started just want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within this correction, first of all, based on daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for one more drop. Later we discuss, and even I mentioned if anyone wants to buy from here, the only way is to put their entry above the top. And we have been looking for this levels as a resistance and we wanted the price to break those levels. But if we put our entry above the top, that means we shouldn't be in the trade. This is the reason so why I mentioned we are not going to buy within this range, within this correction. We put our entry. The only option is to put our entry above the top. Anyway, as we can see, we shouldn't be in this trade. And in this case, we don't need these lines. We remove it. We move to daily chart. We want to see what we have and what we have been looking for. And in this case, we move to daily chart. Anyway, again, if you refer to my last analysis, I mentioned I'm looking at this correction and relative to this. That's why I mentioned I'm expecting to get one more drop. And I mentioned I'm expecting the price drop to 372. If there is a breakout of 372, the next level I'm looking for is 335. Anyway, the price broke 372, but it couldn't take 335, and we see the reversal. No one knows what's the next. Whether we can put this one as a correction relative to this, and this is what I'm looking for. This means if I get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, this is where I'm going to look for buy. All right. It doesn't mean the price have to reverse sharply. Maybe we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. This one turned to a more complex correction before we get the reversal. All right. But the one thing I need to highlight, can we put this one relative to this? And this is the one is going to retest the previous low 250. Can we expect this one turn to a more complex correction? Yes. That's why if anyone, that's mean we should expect this one as well. All right. I don't want to say the price is going to retest 250. I want to say that we're looking at this one. We're looking for the buy opportunity, but we should know that there is this second option as well. We need to be aware about this possibility. That's why if anyone is looking for buy, they should know what's the risk and reward and where is the stop loss. Anyway, we'll move to forward chart. And right now, based on forward chart, if you put this low relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence and as well here. That's why we can expect to get the reversal. Either this is the start of the up move, or we can expect to get a deeper correction before we get the next down move. That means this one turned to a running flat. This is what we can expect. I don't think the price can reverse from here sharply. We can expect the price to consolidate within this range, but we are more for me, I'm more interested to look for buy. But right now, I don't see any opportunity to look for buy. Even we can expect to get a deeper correction for one more drop. To look for sell, the only times I will look for sell if this one turns to deeper correction, yes. I will look for one more drop. Maybe we will look for the short-term sell. But as I mentioned, I'm more interested for the buy. And if I get any reversal, I will take the trade. But as I mentioned, based on forward chart, we don't have any trade set up for buy. And even based on 1 hour chart, if I get any opportunity for buy, the first level I'm looking for is 386. With the breakout of 386, I'm looking for the 396. That means I want to see the breakout of this zone. This is what I'm looking for buy. And right now, I mean, if I get opportunity to look for buy, can I put this one as a reversal, following by this one as a correction flag? It's not really good, but the only way is to put our entry above this top. But how about if I put my entry above the top, simply the price can take and drop. That's why I mentioned it's not really good to look for buy in this way. That means it's really risky, but it depends on the traders. But for me, at this times, I'm not looking for buy by following this one. I will just follow the chart. If I get any opportunity to look for buy as a short term, I will take it and I will put my stop loss at least 350. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.